Yes, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Still with me, Martin Six in the channel Martin Six Trading, and today is 4th of March 2021. Today is Thursday. A sunny day here in my hometown, and today I will discuss something quite important for me, and maybe quite important for you too, guys. So especially if you have account with ICMarket Australia. Okay, as you know that Australia, especially about this forex business, and especially of course I'm talking about the forex broker. For the moment I'm using ICMarket, and finally they decided to follow what is the European regulation did already, and now they try to implement it in Australia jurisdiction. Okay, if you can see in the chart, sorry, if you can see in the screen now, you can read. This is the important information given by ICMarket to me as a client, and you can read it by yourself that I need to change my account. Okay, not change account, the number or the type of account, but here important is I need to choose my ICMarket entity. Okay, and here is ICMarket offering, if I would like to stay with high leverage, because for the moment I'm using 1 to 500 leverage, I have to go to Financial Service Authority of Seychelles. I don't know how to pronounce this. Seychelles. Okay, so that means I'm no longer stay with this Australian regulation. I need to go with Seychelles regulation. Okay, I think if you particular with this broker things, I think you understand about this information. Okay, and today I will decide it. Yes, I will follow and I will change my my, how you call it, my broker entity. Okay, my ICMarket entity, I will choose it. Okay, the important thing that everybody need to know that it's still ICMarket, but just the regulation will be totally different. Okay, all the benefit that I get from the Australian regulation, I will not have it anymore, and now I will stay with Seychelles. Okay, and today I will show you how I will transfer. Okay, I will show you here. I will click here, transfer my account. Okay, we just leave it about the broker things. Okay, just important thing also that basically I don't have to do anything. Okay, I just click, and that is finished, and the entity will be changed automatically. They will do it, the transfer and all the important things by the system, and I just need to wait and follow the next instruction. Okay, but I will just leave it like that, and I will make some update later. I will give you an update about regarding the matter. Okay, and now just like always, I will make an update also about my Ichimoku trading journal, like always. Okay, every Sunday and every Thursday I will make some update regarding my journey using Ichimoku Kinko here. Okay, just go straight away on the MT4 like always. Okay, this is my MT4. Today is Thursday, and let's take a look the total amount that I have in this trade column. For the moment I'm floating $98. Okay, we now break down one by one the position that I have. Okay, starting with the first position is pound sterling Swedish kroner. Sterling Swedish kroner. Let's see. Swedish kroner. $60 or 300 pips. I'm floating profit. You already know that I already moved the stop loss to break even point. You can see here, this is the yellow line and red line, they are stick together, so that means I moved the stop loss already here. Okay, second position is USD GPY. Okay, USD GPY, this is quite good. This is, I really love it when the trending is quite strong like this. And take a look, USD GPY, $42 or 200 pips. Okay, not bad, not bad. And this one also, I already moved my stop loss to break even point, so it will be safe, in the safe side. Okay, this already 200 pips. And then the third one, the third position that I have, also this one also is nice and sexy, strong berries. You can see the candle is red, is indicating the strong berries. Swiss franc versus Singaporean dollar. Okay, CHF SGD, I got now $41 or 200 pips. Move to the fourth trade that I had is USD Swiss franc. Okay, and if you can see, the stop loss is quite wide or quite big, and I will move a little bit stop loss. Okay, I will move in the Kumo cloud in between. Okay, and USD this corner I got $23. Okay, and we'll move the fifth trade that I have, pound sterling versus Australian dollar. Oh, this is not really look nice. See, today the candles still below the buying price, and this is what I got, minus $21 or minus 100 points. Okay, this is not really look nice. Well, let's just wait maybe a couple of days, because I put the stop loss is quite wide here. Okay, let's go to the last position that I have. This also not really look nice. It's quite deep under the buying price that I have. And this is pound sterling Norwegian kroner. I get this is really not nice, because it's minus 50 pips. Minus $50 or equivalent with minus 250 pips. The reason that why I didn't close the trade is because this pound sterling pair is, regardless what is the pair, as long as the pair is the beginning is with pound sterling, they have really big daily range. Okay, this is more than 200 pips. So when the price is moved in one day 100 or 200 pips, sometimes it's considered normal. Okay, for this kind of pair, and all the pair with pound sterling in it. And so I just decided to wait a little bit before I have to close the position. Okay, of course, when you have floating minus around 200 pips, sometimes it's very hard to hold this kind of minus, because it's quite big. If you can see here, compare with other position that I had, these two pair in total is $67. Can you imagine the $67? That means is this one, the ratio what I have here is not really good. That's why if you cannot hold this kind of situation, you can close it if you can hold this kind of situation, because this minus 200 pip is not everybody can handle these things. Okay, but it's up to you. Okay, it's depend how you manage your risk and ratio or your money management. It's up to you. I just give my I give information about how I manage my trading, but in the end it's still up to you guys. Okay, and we'll take a look in Forex Factory. Okay, like always, this is, you have to do this every day to take a look the daily calendar. This red is New Zealand dollar, this red is OPEC GE meetings. I think this is regard about the oil price, because OPEC, you know, OPEC is the organization for the oil product. Okay guys, I just give you a little bit information. If you take a look here also, this is my demo account using ICMarket, and in this demo account I'm using 1 to 30 1 to 30 1 to 50 1 to 30 leverage. I'm sorry 1 to 30 leverage. The reason is why I also having this demo account, because I want to know exactly how to manage the trading when you have 1 to 50 leverage, because normally I'm using 1 to 400 or 1 to 500. And if you can take a look here, the margin level that I have here with using the similar position that I have with my MT4, if you can see the MT4 that I have is here is 7,000, but the MT5 that I have is only 1,000. So this is the big difference. So when you have this kind of demo account, you have the big picture. What will happen if you have this lower leverage, especially in the leverage that given by the European broker, or today is the Australian broker, or maybe soon or later the rest of the world, they will have the or implemented the same system. Okay, this is like the two different things. When you like to having high leverage, or you would like to having low leverage. Okay, it's up to you how you decided which one is better or which one is best for you. You are the one that decided. Okay, but for me personally, I prefer to have a big leverage or high leverage, so 1 to 400 or 1 to 500. I know exactly how to manage the risk, and if I can still choose, I prefer to have 1 to 400 or 1 to 500 leverage. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That is for today. I will see you maybe next week on Monday, or maybe in Tuesday. Okay, and I will also give you an update regarding what I have done when I changing the broker entity. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you, and ciao.